What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ki pulit ka Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF ka East Giant Hills kelayo ban kemno ya arngut ke snar ka kynhun khaii drok ki badan kti hakikam khaii drok hakaleng gejela nakathain Lumshnong East Giant Hills District. Ka jingyo kem ya kini ke arngut kelawan long hadin maka ANTF kala pelong ya ka jingkan ra hakamit jong ka kat saw tarik risau hadin ka jingyo jingtep ka bathikna halwar ka jingdon jong ki briu ki bawan da ka kali na silchar Assam haringkat udrong. Hadien belashim kia ya kan jingyo kubor ka kynhun ki pulit na kyang kala pelong ka jingpen up shrip batalasi ha ka ba kila yo ban kem no ya kini ki arngut ki runar ki balatip kerteng kumu Abdul Rob Laskar baju khot sin umunna arpu ar ubadai na Kabuganj Silchar Assam. Hadien da ka jingarap ka ANTF Meghalaya kila yo ban kem saya weipat usnar nong khaii drong ubala Shah kem labun sin ya ubala tip kerteng kum asif waklang ubadai na hari sabha laban shlong. Na kini ki arngut ki pulit kila yo ban korup santali ki sinduk saban bala thep ya udrong ubadan henry program na lor ka wei ka kali Hyundai venue kabadan yaw number AS not away EJ prakndai nyo. Menta ki pulit kila register case persya ya kini ki arngut hapo Lumshnong Police Station hapo ka kindon NDPS Act bat ka jing tookit kadang ya syakman ban lap shushu ya ki briu ki badan kti. Na kalyang Superintendent of Police ka East Giant Hills Uvikash Kumar ukentu ya ki no kini ki badan jingtip halor ki kam khaii drong bakin wan syakman ban a jingtip sya ki pulit hakaba onbu ri ki kerteng jongki bat ai khusnam ru eki.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.